Do you love me? How much? Yeah, I thought so. I love you as well. Okay. Do you want a hug? Yeah, are you sure? Okay.
Hello. Hello. Oh, hi. Hi, baby. Hello. Hello.
Can I get a ha ha? Ha ha ha.
Hi. Are we hungry? Come on. Are you starving?
Eat my jacket. Wat is er?
Ja, aan dat je niet zoveel meer mensen testen, vaccineren, dus de resultaten daarvan zien dat dat echt een enorm verschil gaat maken. Maar goed, als dat is inderdaad helpt voor de psychologie.
Ja.
Zoe.
Did you eat all your treats? You did? You want more treats? No, you don't need any more treats. Just don't laugh at him. It's okay, Wonky. Wonky!
Not much a romantic start, but hey, their love is honest.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Mimi. I'm home. Okay. It's good to see.
Okay, Freddie, I have something to tell you. So, I've never told you my name, and my name is Shiva. Did you know that? Wow.
Why are you so bad?
What? Why is so grumpy? Oh no. Yeah? What do you need? So what do you want?
Can you hold on?
Quite a clingy son, isn't he? But that's what makes him adorable.
She?
What's wrong? What's the matter? Are you pooping? I think you might be constipated. Okay. What's the matter?
Hi. Hey, Mama's baby girl. You are? Are you a pretty girl? Meow if you're pretty.
Good boy. Other paw. Good boy. High five. Good boy. Other pie pie?
Kelly!
Oh my goodness. Responding with what? When called is next level. The owners must have been stunned for a few seconds.
我就站在你面前，你看我几分像从前。
Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, are you hungry?
Kelly! What? Just say what?
When are you going to help me out with the chores? I've got to do laundry. Look at this. Look at this. And then I have to cook. And then I have to clean. And I have to go to work tomorrow. And all you do is sleep all day long.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Hello. I love you.
You guys hungry?
Can you hold on?
Why are you yelling at me? You just ate. Oh my gosh. Millicent.
Why do you sound so sad? Are you sad? You don't like me playing videos? It's too loud while you're sleeping.
Listen, you've been out, then you've come in, shit in your clean litter tray, and now you're wanting back out? What do you mean you know?
I'm not ready to go to bed yet. Anneciğim. Annem. Güzel kızım.
Sen ne yapıyorsun orada?
Aşkım.
Izzy! Are you stuck? Are you stuck?
Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, are you hungry?
Princess, what's up? No, tell me more. She did not. I can't believe that.
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Murph, are you scared you summoned the Great Bagata? What do you want to do?
Oh, you're so Oh, you're so cute. Yes, you are. I'm not good stuff. No, I'm not good stuff.
Can I have some Chex Mix? Can I have some Chex? Hey, can I have the Chex Mix? I bought it. Hey, dude, give me the Chex Mix.
Good boy, jump! Good boy, jump!
Mouth. What? No, Zuko, it's okay. She's just in the shower. I know, she's just in the shower. She's okay.
Okay.